me from me home, I saw the red because the trail my me with home. And I saluted for the day. Kiss my dog and mama drunk, I wanna be in my grave and taste. Man on their off to rape the phone, even around the smoke. In a song, the phone, a punish goes. Think I will brand, you better brought. And all the books are right, and all the ducks in the rocky road. And I'm like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the hair, I turn it down the rocky road, and all the way to Dublin. Oh, follow the so we saw the battle. It's one that brought and then I took the job of the hero. Give me all the thing and us in the rush. When that was on, when I could see the last is mine. I've been over one, and my there was house, said she all the bubbling as no was a high. We just had a car and I was almost up in the rocky road. To Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the hair I turned down the rocky road and on the way to Dublin. Oh, for all the day. Such a pretty beast, and the part of the view of fancy man took a stroll. All the mondo continua bandale, was all the mendale. Got the sun across my mind, and beyond the bond like a fire. Upon the same, wondering one for the road. Send the car and dog, I was in machine, but in the road, get out to Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there I turn down the road, get out, and all the way to Dublin. Oh, for all the time. Spirits never failing. On the town the teachers lost the shape and say the captain on me road. Sent them out and honey, then I jumped aboard the cabin. Money now the moon, the pigs, the pigs, the funny reeds. And some hard chicks that wander around me, bubbling when a funny head. Wish me never there, but I'm more and stuff in the rocky road. To Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the hair I turn down the rocky road and all the way to Dublin. Oh, for all the time.
safer on the call myself a fool I couldn't along the Sunday but began to fall. Temper I was losing more from a girl, baby girl. I'm missing around the sunset, I'm shy like guys and go, we must get rid of stuff. I'm also for fun. And I turned down the rocky road and all the way to Dublin. Oh, what would all they do? Merci Louis!
Se queres viaxar, non o penses máis. Zafiro Tours é a túa opción.
Estamos en Salvador de Madariaga 47, A Coruña, zona Elvino.
Podes chamarnos ao 981 290099 e informarte sen compromiso. A Cova Céltica, a túa taberna galega no centro da Coruña.
Cervexa, licores e música, na Rúa do Orzán, 82.
Aí vai Carolina, deixala pasar, vai pra Repichoca.
A Repichoca, música galega ao vivo en Orillamar 13.